This video will focus on the Sound Object and Microsound scales of the Morphagene. On this scale, the Morphagene's fluidity of motion through time is particularly evident, as it lets us explore very small pieces of sound in great detail. Here we have a splice of several seconds length with several events or sound objects. Moving the slide control changes the start point of the splice. If we turn up the gene size control, we hear that smaller portions of the splice are being played. We can use slide to control the location of the gene within the splice. Genes can be made small enough that the sound becomes distorted, eventually to the extreme where it seems unrelated to the source material, except for a ghostly shadow of the original contours when sliding through. Morph allows us to stagger or layer genes. When set all the way counterclockwise, it leaves a small gap between one gene and the next. Around 8:30, the window turns orange, the gap disappears, and we have a seamless loop. Above 8:30, the next gene starts before the current one ends, and we begin to hear layering. Once this layering is covering exactly half the gene, the window turns orange again. Beyond this point, a third gene is added. Finally, a fourth gene is added. Above this point, individual genes' pitch and panning begin to be randomized. Try sliding around, changing gene size, morph, and vary speed to get a feel for the textures that are possible from the sound you are using right now. Remember that this sound is only one sound. This time is only one time. The Morphagene breaks time into pieces. You can travel through these pieces on your own time. Take your time.